Friday, April 18th. We finally got our parts yesterday, most of them. They forgot 2 of the 3 gaskets and 3 of the 4 fuel filters. So John's improvising, making some gaskets. Took a week to get the parts, so there's no sense ordering the stuff. It's simpler just to make do. 2 days ago we got a call from FedEx in La Ceiba that the parts were there. They couldn't forward them onto the island until we made the payment for FedEx delivery, which was $16 and change. Fortunately, the woman at the Sosa Airlines was very kind and went into the bank with our money and deposited into an account of a woman in La Ceiba, who then withdrew the money from her account and went to FedEx's bank and deposited into their account, at which point they freed our package for shipment. So yesterday we phoned FedEx in La Ceiba, who told us that the payment had been received, but they couldn't send our package to the airport because the roads were taken. I said, what do you mean the roads are taken? And she said, well, there's a strike and the roads are taken, so I think she meant the roads were blocked. So we gave up and went into town for lunch and wandered around for a while, and John just happened to check in at the airline office, and the parts were due to arrive in a few hours. I guess the roads weren't taken anymore. John's putting the exhaust manifold back together. The 2 end gaskets for this exhaust manifold are the ones that they didn't send us.